This is what it looks like when you move all kinds of equipment so you have room for a new air conditioner. You move a dresser, you disconnect all kinds of computers, and then you have to deal with about 59 miles of cable and wires. And then after you disconnect 59 miles worth of cables and wires, you have to hook them back all up again. This look like fun? It looks like I'm in a mine shaft. Oh my god, this is gonna take a while. No internet for a while. I had the computer over here on this side underneath where the air conditioner is going, but that's not a good place to have electronics, especially if the air conditioner ever starts leaking for some reason. So all the electronics have to go over to this side. Oh boy. Motherfucker. Oh look, a pink cable. I know this one's Lisa's. Ow! Ugh, what a mess. I disconnected all the antennas, the internet, all the power. Now I'm left with a lot of spaghetti wire all over the floor that I have no idea how to reconnect. This is gonna be fun. Well, at least in the back of the dresser, it's all nice, clean, and vacuumed now. Oh, that looks nice. That's great. Until I remember the headache that's in front of me. What do you think about this, Cooper? Tell me, Please, tell me your one thought that you have in your head. No? Why? Why don't you want to tell me? Why aren't you why are you ignoring me? Are you upset that I disconnected all the cables? Don't worry. Animal Planet will be back soon. Don't you worry about it. The Roku will work. Just give me until about October. Hey, I was gonna... Wow. Good. Alright, thank you. Yeah, thanks a lot. Have a good day. Alright, we're about to take off the air conditioning cover. This thing has been known to have bees in the air conditioning sleeve before. Now, they were all taken out years ago, but I don't know if they've come back or not. And I'm not looking forward to getting stung. So we're going to be very careful when we take this off. Should I knock? Hello? Bees?
No, make least noise, Pop.
Are there any bees in here? What?
You don't make noise.
Oh, sorry. I was just being polite. Alright, just a big test. Here it comes. Oh, it never came back. What?
Look at the thing you have to pull off in the back.
What about it?
You have to pull that off.
It looks all clear. All right, the air conditioner is in and it is on.